Hello everyone, this is Mimi from MimisCraftyShoppe. Welcome back to my channel, and I am so excited. I have been without Wi-Fi for 2 weeks, so finally got it all back up. My husband and I, we had an electrical storm here a few weeks ago. It caused so much problems for us. Besides the coronavirus, we have been dealing with a lot of issues, trying to get everything back up, our TVs and everything. So I'm so excited. I haven't done a video in 2 weeks, so yay. I got my kit from Doreen, so I am excited to do a reveal. Doreen has the Crystals and Pearls Kit Club on Facebook, and she has asked me to be a guest designer, team member for the next 3 months. So this is my second kit, and this is the Sweet Indulgence Kit. So I have already had a sneak peek of it, some pictures she has shown on Facebook, and I'm so excited to get this because I have been anticipating this for quite a few months, because I knew that she was going to do one, excuse me, in the mint green and pink color. So I already had kind of an idea what I'm planning on doing. So I want to reveal the kit first, and then I'll talk about what I'm planning on doing with this. And I'm already like going, oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. So her kits are always just fabulous, and Doreen does a great job putting them together. And let's see what we have here. I mean, doesn't this looks like a birthday cake or cupcake? These colors do. I mean, I just love it. I love mint green and pink together. I think they really complement one another. So this is going to be so much fun. And let's see here. Let's start with this. She has made this little, it looks like a pocket. And that's exactly what it is. It's a little pocket that she made up. Look at that little cupcake she put on there. And this has been embossed. Really pretty pink color. I think this was a envelope. I can tell by looking at it. She put some music paper on there and some beautiful doilies that she always has the prettiest doilies in her kits. I mean, I don't know where she gets them from, but they're gorgeous. Okay, let's see here. Ooh, she's done some layering. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I love this. She's taken a guest check and layered it with this beautiful material that she has ruffled here, and this beautiful collage here she's done up with some appliques. Just some pretty different things that she's used. Isn't that pretty? Oh, I love this. Oh my gosh, this is so gorgeous. Love it. And this is, let me see here. Oh, it's got caught up on the, get that off of there. This is a really pretty paper clip that she's done up. Cotton candy, it says on the back. Dolce. See that? Isn't that gorgeous? Y'all do not look at my nails because of the coronavirus, I haven't been able to go and get them done. And I'm hoping to get some Color Street, which is a nail that you put on yourself, so I'm planning on doing that, but they look terrible, so don't pay attention to them. Look at this beautiful sheer material that she sent. I love this. Look how she did this. I don't know how she comes up with these ideas. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. Love it. Love it. And she sent all these beautiful just layers of these little lace trims and little tidbits of stuff that you can put in your little kit here that she sent, that you can use in whatever you're doing. And that's why I like her kits. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that little ice cream cone. That is so pretty. There's so many possibilities, and I did like 3 projects with my stuff last time, so who knows what I'll do this time. really pretty. This is kind of like a vintage ledger paper. This is a smaller one. I've never seen one this size, so this is really neat. So this opens up. This is like a, I don't know if this is a file folder that she sent, but it opens up, and here are these beautiful doilies. Like I said, I don't know where she gets these from, but they're gorgeous. Look at these. Aren't they pretty? And let's see what oh, here it is. It's a big tag that she's fixed up. Oh my gosh, so pretty. I just love the colors. It's kind of, and look, this has got like a little pocket here that she's made and has embellished it with all kinds of different laces and stuff. You know, this kit can be, you could do a lot with it, but she's already kind of fixed it up to where you can make your own little journal out of it. So, I mean, so many possibilities. Oh my goodness, there's a pocket here. Let's see what's in here. Oh my gosh. More vintage ledger paper. Oh my gosh, this one's huge. Can you imagine having to write in all those small spaces back in the day? I don't know how. People had such good penmanship, and now the kids have terrible penmanship. And I don't know where she gets her paper from, but her scrapbook paper is always so unique, and it's just not something you see every day. So I love this. Oh my gosh, Doreen, you're gonna flip out, but it's gonna go really good with this scrapbook kit that I've got over here. That I've been anticipating this for a few months now. Oh, look at that! I love that. That is so pretty. That kind of reminds me of those gel plates, you know, that you can press down and use different colors of paints and stuff. That is so pretty. Love it. Isn't that pretty? See the little carousel, the horses and stuff, like you're riding on a merry-go-round. That's what that reminds me of, the circus girl. Okay, let's see what we got here. Pocket. And then she did this flip out. This is one of those really neat envelopes that have the windows in it. It's the big one. And see, look at that what she did down there. Oh, isn't that pretty? Love that. Let's see what's inside. She's got something inside here, I think. Sorry for the noise, but look at this applique. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's kind of a light pink, and it's got some really pretty pearls on it, and this is kind of some, what do you call these things? I can't remember now all of a sudden. But I like them because they've turned a little bit, and I love that, the way they turn. Kind of got a little golden look to them. And then this opens up, and here is a big window envelope. And then, see what she's done here. This is just a little thing that she's made, and you could actually take it and put it on this little paperclip if you wanted to, or use it in another way. But I love because she just takes and kind of does just little small things that, you know, you can use in your kit. And then she always sends the neatest little stuff. Look at all that. That is just gorgeous. Look at all the neat stuff she sent in there that I can use. You can use these on paper clips. You can take these little pearls and stuff, these drop pearls, and, you know, make you a dangle out of them. There's just endless possibilities. Sequins, that's what those are called. I knew I'd come up with it sooner or later. I love this right here. She always gives me so many great ideas, and I love that. Okay, see, this is kind of like a flip out. And this is a paper bag. Look at that beautiful paper bag. I love that color. It's kind of like a plaid. Okay. This is an embossed envelope again that she's taken and cut, and you can use as a pocket, which would be pretty on here. This is what I was excited about. I love this. It's like a circus tent, and she's taken tea-dyed it. That is so pretty. I love that. This is so pretty too. Look at that. Oh, this is that where you take the plastic, or she could have used lace and used it for tea dyeing, and then it brings and gives you this beautiful design on there. I've done some of this too, and it really is beautiful. This is, I don't know if this is Spanish or French. That's really, really neat. I love all the, she always sends vintage stuff too, you know. Look at that beautiful paper that she's taken and done that on. That's gorgeous. Oh, my mind's just going crazy. Here's another pocket, and she has taken and used it up there and then added all this beautiful lace and trims to that. And then this is, it's kind of like chipboard nearly, and she's probably die cut these out. And these would be pretty, you know, to put, you know, take that scrapbook paper and put on here, or you can use them as like a pocket, or, you know, in the middle of the paper or something. So that is a lot of great ideas with these. You got 3 of those. And I am just so excited about all this. I have been anticipating this, and as Doreen, I have already made a few things that I've been making a lot of ephemera, and I already knew that I was getting this color. So, looky there. I am ready and prepared to make something up really pretty. And I made this up the other day because it had the same kind of colors in it. And this too is something I made up for to use like a little pocket. But this is what I got the other day. It is a kit, Antiquia, I think that's the name of it. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right or not, but anyway, it was a circus theme. So I researched this and found this because I knew I wanted to do something that had kind of a circus theme on it. And so I got this to help me with the kit. Isn't that gorgeous? Love it. So I'm super excited to use this because it has a lot of the colors in it. The mint greens and the pinks. That horse there. So I'm going to be making something with this. Let me see. Oh, isn't that pretty? Just love this. Isn't that gorgeous? So this paper is going to look really, really cute with Doreen's kit. And it had all these little stickers in there. And carousel. So, I am super prepared to get to work on this, Miss Doreen. And I'm so excited that you sent this to me. So, here you go. Y'all be anticipating what I'm going to do. So, hopefully next week I am going to I'm going to start working on this in the next few days. And next week, hopefully I'll have a project put together. So, y'all be checking back with me. And thank you so much, Miss Doreen, for getting this to me. I know it wasn't easy. We had a little change up in the address and stuff because of what's going on. So, but I got it here, and I am excited about it. And thank you so much, Doreen, for allowing me to do this, and I appreciate it. and y'all have a blessed day.